Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today we are going to draw this super cute and colorful little character together. So grab your paper, your favorite markers or crayons, and let's start drawing. Are you ready? Let's draw. First, I'm going to start with the nose. Take your time and make a nice rounded shape. Now let's move up and draw the head. I'm making a big smooth outline for the head. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfect. Remember, every artist has their own style. Next, let's draw the right eye and now the left eye. Great job! Can you draw two eyes on your paper too? Make sure they are looking nice and friendly. Now let's add the two little ears on top of the head. And we're not finished with the face yet. Let's draw the mouth. Give it a nice, happy shape. Now, inside the head, I'm adding a round circle. This will make our character even more colorful later. Our face is coming together. Next, let's start drawing the body. I'm going down from the left side of the head and drawing the left side of the body. Now I'll do the same on the other side and draw the right side of the body. And finally, I'll connect both sides with the bottom line. Now it's time to add some details. First, I'm drawing the strap of the bag going across the body. Then I'm adding the arms on both sides. And now let's draw the bag. I'm giving it a nice rounded shape and adding a few little details to make it look like a real bag. Now let's draw the hands. I'll carefully draw one hand first, and then I'll draw the other hand. Awesome! Now comes one of my favorite parts, the flowers. I'm going to add the flowers one at a time all over the body. First flower, second flower, and another one. Keep adding the little flowers until the body looks nice and colorful. You can even count the flowers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many flowers did you draw in your picture? Great job. Now let's finish the bottom part by drawing the two legs. One leg on this side and one leg on the other side. Our drawing is almost ready. But wait, we need a little extra decoration. Let's add a heart on the upper left side, and now another heart on the upper right side. Oh, that looks so cute. Now it's finally time to bring our drawing to life with color. Let's start with the head. I'm carefully filling the whole head with a beautiful pink color. Take your time while coloring and try to stay inside the lines. Slowly fill in all the empty spaces. There we go. Our head is looking bright and colorful. Now let's color all the little flowers blue. I'm carefully filling each petal. Blue flower, another blue flower, and another one. Remember, little artists, you don't have to use exactly the same colors as me. You can choose your own favorite colors too. Now let's color the body. I'm using a bright pinkish magenta color for the dress. I'm slowly filling the large area while being careful around all those little blue flowers. This part takes a little patience, so don't rush. Keep coloring. And coloring. Almost there. Look how beautiful those flowers look against the bright dress. Now let's color the round circle on the head with the same bright color. Nice and smooth. Next, let's color the two legs and boots. I'm using a bright blue color. Fill one and then the other. Great! Now it's time for the bag. I'm using a lovely yellow color for the bag. Carefully color around the strap and all the little details. And finally, let's color the hearts. I'm filling both hearts with a bright red color. One heart and the second heart. And we're done! Look at our beautiful finished drawing. You did such an amazing job, little artist. If you drew along with me, I'd love to know. What was your favorite part? Was it drawing the flowers, coloring the dress, or making the cute little hearts? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more fun drawing adventures. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and most importantly, keep being creative. See you in the next video, little artists.